Hello friends, I am Neeraj Nidhi and in this video I'll tell you what is loop in VBA. This is VBA loop part 1. There are many more videos on this topic and this topic is really very important because by using loop you can avoid the repetition of tasks. If you are writing any programming again and again, same programming, so you can avoid the repetition by using loop. And in this video I'll explain you what is loop by giving a basic example. So here is my Excel workbook. And for writing any VB programming, you need this developer tab. If you don't have this developer tab in your Excel workbook, I suggest go to the description below this video, and there you can find link how to add developer tab in Excel workbook. Okay, so once you have the developer tab, just click on this developer tab, and the first option will is for Visual Basic. You can also open the Visual Basic window directly by using shortcut key which is Alt plus F11. Okay, just click on this Visual Basic and here is a window where you can write your Visual Basic programming. Okay, go to the insert and insert a module. So module is a space where you can write your program. Okay, so as I told you in my earlier videos that VB programming starts with sub statement, then your statement name. My statement name is loop underscore part 1. Then click enter. Once you click the enter, it will auto capture the sub statement. And same with loop. Like your loop start with for and ends with next. Okay, tell you how for variable. Variable is 1, 2, 4. Okay. So I'll tell you what is variable. So variable is a storage where you can store your values. So in this programming, I'm storing value from 1 to 4. Then next one is next. Okay. Between 4 and next, you can write your programming loop. Okay. So as I told you, that variable is a space. The space may be less, maybe big. Storage basically. Storage may be less or storage may be big depending on the time. Okay. So I'm defining name of my storage dim n. You can write anything like a b c. You can use any alphabet for define name of your variable. Okay, I suggest use single word. Okay. Mm, so I'm using n as an okay. Bit is the smallest storage in VBA programming. So bits contain storage starting from 0 to 255. You can store value starting from 0 to 255. Okay, so this is the smallest storage. You can say this is a small bag where you can store small value. Okay, next to bit is integer. Okay, integer you can say a big travel bag where you can store value starting from minus 32,768 to 32,767. Okay, and next to integer is long, which store a very big value. Okay, and after that double. So there are many more types of variable. Okay, I'm using bits because I have to store a very small value, which is 1 to 4 only. You can also use integer, long, anything you want. Okay, so now my variable name is defined. So I'm replacing my variable with n. Okay, because n is my variable name. And now coming to 1 to 4. So 1 to 4 is really very important. So it says that my loop will run 4 times, starting from 1, then 2, then 3, then ends at 4. Okay, now I'm writing programming for my loop. So message box space n. Okay, so I put value as n, and n is starting value is 1. Okay. I'm removing some extra spaces. Okay. So while you are writing VBA programming, I suggest please use F8 key. So F8 key indicates step-by-step programming. Okay. So let's see F8 first step, loop part 1, then for n equal to 1, my message box, next 1. Okay. When I'm again pressing F8, then it will again move to message box. It will not move to end statement. It will again move to message box due to loop. Okay, like this. 2. If you see, I put my cursor in n, it will show value as 2. Now again, it's a third time. If you see, my message box contain value 3. Then again, fourth time, 4. Then after 4, it will end the statement. Okay, so let me replace 1 by 3. What do you say? How many times it will run the loop? 4 or 2? If you are thinking that it will again run loop 4 times, so my friend, you are wrong. It will run loop only 2 times. As I told you that this is the starting point and this is the end point. It starts with 3 and ends at 4. Okay, I'll show you how. Again, F8, first step, second step, my message box 3. This time first value is 3. Then next, then again my message box, then 4. Then after this, it will end the statement. So this is very important to understand that what this means. Okay, so this is basically the range of loop. It starts with 3 and ends at 4. Okay, next is really important. This will help you to run the loop again. Okay, uh, okay. So friends, this is how you can learn, or you can write loop and avoid the repetition of work. In my coming videos, I'll tell you uh, loop, the advanced use of loop by giving more example. So till then, thank you for watching this video, and you can also follow me through my website, my Facebook page, LinkedIn, Quora, YouTube, Gmail plus, Reddit. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.